Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Art.
I'm Dana.
And in this episode, we are going to walk through the very fun and large Erommy 20 by 16.5 by 12 inflatable tent slash nightclub slash kids playhouse
slash adult bar.
Yes, yes. So we're going to walk through everything that comes in this particular package and kind of how fast it is to inflate and what it looks like once it's all done.
All right, now when you open that big box, the first thing you're going to notice is this nice big tent bag. Inside of here, you're going to find your ground cover and your tent. You'll also notice a stack of neatly folded little bags with drawstrings. These are going to be your sandbags for weighing down the tent. The stack of two different sizes of fabric covered in Velcro. These are going to be your actual window covers. You have 2 small ones and 6 big ones. And of course, you've got your instruction manual. Everything you need to know about how to set it up and take it down. You'll also find another box containing your actual blower, along with stakes just for the blower and instructions on how to use it. Step 1 is going to be unfolding the tent. Okay, now that you've unfolded your tent, locate the inflator tubes at the rear of the tent. There are 2, and you have 1 blower, so you get to decide which one you're going to use for your application and tie off the other one.
Stop right there.
Just when we thought we were actually getting somewhere, we quickly discovered that the tent, as it is rolled out, the way we did it, the way you saw it, it's actually upside down. As crazy as that is, so you'll need to make sure that you flip it completely over. When you do flip it completely over, then you're going to be able to actually visibly see 2 large zipper holes on each corner. Let's show you what those look like.
When you have the tent oriented correctly, these zipper vents are going to be on the outside of the tent. Before inflation, just make sure you zip them closed. There's one on the rear left and the rear right corners.
Now that we've got it oriented the correct way and we've got each of the corners zipped up, let's do take 2 on airing this tent up. Okay, now that we've got it fully inflated, we leave the blower going. Let's take a walk around this massive house, massive tent, a tent in the shape of a house. We really have to back up to get it all in the frame there.
All right, after you've secured your tent, you can go ahead and cover the windows with our window covers if you so desire. Super easy, they just Velcro on.
Yeah!
The two smaller coverings are for the front windows, which are smaller. Be sure to orient your cover to where the long side is vertical and the short sides are horizontal. Unlike others, you get an included ground cover with Erommy. It's super easy to install, it just Velcros to the base of the tent.
We're going to turn it. So these inflatable tents are great for social activities, for grandkids, for kids, for visiting family members, or those that have overextended their stay, like your mother-in-law. Now that you've got everything inflated and you have your floor in place, we're going to go ahead and put in our corner stakes, as shown here. Followed by our guidelines in the corners attached to sandbags. Be sure to do that, or this could happen. And it's blowing it back for us. Come on!
We need to secure it, it'll be fine!
Come on, let's go. A huge thanks to Erommy for actually providing this inflatable nightclub slash tent slash funhouse.
Party tent!
Yes! For us to be able to go ahead and assemble and do a full walkthrough of what comes with it and how it looks once it's done for each of you. So if this was beneficial, be sure to smash that like button. It certainly helps us and helps the video find its way to others that are also looking for it. And until next episode, take care, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.